How to fix your account now has advanced protection on Instagram. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix if you're encountering this kind of error message. This is your account now has been advanced protection. So if you pull up your Instagram application, you want to be able to see any kinds of post or any type of videos or any post that you can see on Instagram as to this specific error message will pop up. Now, all you just have to do is just to choose on the security method that you use on your Instagram account. Just follow on-screen prompts for you to bypass this issue. However, if you found out that this error message is a glitch, then what you want to have to do is to head straight into the Instagram icon on your mobile device. Just simply tap and hold in it, and then choose on the I logo right here, right side of Instagram, and then you'll be redirected into app info. Once you're here, scroll down and then under usage, choose on storage and then comply both of these two options below. That's going to be clear data and clear cache. This will refresh or reset your Instagram application. Once you've done this, just simply relaunch your Instagram app and try if that specific error message is no longer be visible. And that's it. That's how you fix your account now has advanced protection on Instagram.